Right. So this is just a quick addition to the um, previous video in terms of how detailed a graphical search can actually get. So currently what you're looking at right now, the search really originated from, sorry, let me just get rid of this one. Right. So the search really originated from a search to do with bank account. So in this case, I picked on a HSBC bank account, trying to find the relationship between the bank account. Clearly, you can see there's quite a lot of invoices that have been processed through these accounts, and we know the relationship is there is a relationship with Innovate Limited. So just to show you how much detailed um, this can go, again, it's able to highlight a few things to do with. Again, this is a customs clearance um, transaction node. So I'm going to go back to Innovate Limited, click on the relationship, and as before, uh, gives you an idea. So a bill to you have the invoice details there. Okay, exactly exactly what was paid for, right? Gives you what that information is. Now we know who the importer is in this case, DTA Logistics. Now, if we wanted to get a history to do with this specific transaction timeline to do with DTA Logistics, I can click on that, and we're now presented with something which is a lot more in depth. Okay, and this is just one of the scenarios. Um, Again, it can go a lot more deeper than what you're seeing right now, but this is just giving you a brief, description in terms of how in depth this can be, right? Um, and this is a result of us being able to have a process in which we're able to query multiple databases. We've had an efficient process, or should I say, semi efficient process of being able to capture unstructured data, being able to structure it in a format that, we can start manipulating in such formats. Um, and again, depending on what that query is, for a lot of these, like I said, previously, um, it's quite easy in the sense that you just come and pick whatever the node is here and you just start building out of there. Um, you know, you just start literally click on whatever the node is and gradually just build things out uh, into specifically what you're looking for. That's one way of doing it. Other way is if I had or if a specific request came through by email, that type of query could be built in such a way that, again, you'd be able to use it yourself and be able to change one or two details within that query template that can then be used over and over again.